Good morning everyone. Welcome to our presentations, Body Mass Index. Today, we will uncover what BMI is, how it is calculated and why it matters for your overall health. We will also explore the powerful connections between stress and BMI and how managing stress can support a healthier lifestyle. Let's dive into the science behind body weight, mental wellness, and smart coping strategies. So first, what is BMI? BMI is Body Mass Index. It's a numerical value that estimates body fat based on a person's height and weight. It helps categorize individuals into underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obese range. Though it doesn't measure fat directly, but it is useful screening tool for health risk.
Sample BMI calculation. Let's say I'm 1.60 meters tall and weight 48 kilograms. Formula of BMI. BMI equals weight kilogram, divide height squared, m squared equals 48. Divide 1.60 times 1.60 equals 18.75. This falls within the normal range.
According to standard BMI charts, a BMI between 18.5 and 24.9 is considered healthy. A BMI of 23.5 suggests the person has a balanced weight for their height. It indicates lower risk of chronic diseases.
Importance of healthy BMI. Maintaining a healthy BMI supports cardiovascular health, reduce the risk of diabetes, and improve energy levels. It also contributes to better mental health by reducing fatigue and boosting self-esteem. Balanced nutrition and regular exercise are key to staying within a healthy range.
Stress management strategies help regulate your BMI by reducing chronic stress, which can disrupt hormones like cortisol that influence weight gain. High stress often leads to emotional eating or poor sleep, both of which can increase BMI over time. By practicing techniques like mindfulness, time management, and physical activity, you support healthier habits that stabilize weight. Managing stress effectively promotes both mental clarity and physical balance. Keep
Imagine a student facing final exams with limited preparation time. They feel overwhelmed and anxious about failing. This pressure can affect both their focus and sleep.
Sign of stress. Physical sign involves headache, muscle tension, and fatigue. Emotional sign may involve irritability, anxiety, and difficulty concentrating. These symptoms often appear together during high stress period.
3 healthy stress management techniques. Breathing exercises. Calm the nervous system and reduce anxiety. Time blocking. Helps organize tasks and reduce procrastination. Sleep hygiene. Ensures restorative rest which improves mood and cognitive function. Practicing this regularly builds resilience.
Coping strategy creator.
Positive versus negative coping strategies. Positive strategies help manage stress constructively, like problem solving or seeking support. Negative strategies may offer temporary relief but worsen stress long term, such as avoidance or substance use. The goal is to build habits that promote growth and stability.
Coping mechanism, positive, journaling, talking to a friend, exercising. Negative, binge eating, excessive screen time, and denial. Recognizing this helps individuals to choose healthier responses.
As we have seen, maintaining a healthy BMI isn't just about numbers. It's about balance, awareness, and resilience. By understanding stress and choosing positive coping mechanism, we empower ourselves to lead healthier, more mindful lives. Whether through breathing, exercising, or journaling, small habits make a big impact. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward better health and well-being.